Let's go ahead and do number 9 of the independent practice. Okay, so it's this complex fraction is written vertically, so I'm going to go ahead and write it horizontally. Okay, let's look at the first two that we have to add. We have an x here and an x plus 1 here. So let's go ahead and find the least common denominator. It's going to be an x and an x plus 1. Because x appears once, which is the greatest number of times that it appears, and x plus 1 appears once, which is also the greatest number of times that it appears. So what's missing in this denominator is this x plus 1. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by x plus 1. So x plus 1 times x minus 2. Over here, what's missing is an x. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by x. Okay, so all of this divided by, let's look here, we have an x minus 1 and an x plus 1. So the greatest number of times that x minus 1 appears is once, and the greatest number of times that x plus 1 appears is once. So what's missing here is this x plus 1, so I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by x plus 1. So I get 3 times x plus 1. Now, over here I'm missing an x minus 1. I'm missing an x minus 1 plus x minus 1. Okay, let's go ahead and simplify the numerators. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and FOIL these two. I get x squared minus x minus 2 plus 2x over x times x plus 1. I'm going to go ahead and take the reciprocal. So I have x minus 1 and x plus 1. I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 3 in, so we get 3x plus 3 plus x minus 1. Okay, let's go ahead and combine like terms in that numerator. So I have x squared plus x minus 2 over x times x plus 1 times x minus 1 times x plus 1 divided by, what is that, 4x plus 2. Now I am going to go ahead and factor this numerator right here. Okay, I need some space. I'm going to go ahead and factor that, and so I get x plus 2 and x minus 1, all of it over x times x plus 1, and then I'm running out of space, x minus 1 and x plus 1 over, we have a greatest common factor, which is 2, and then 2x plus 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and write it here. I am going to go ahead and erase some stuff. I'm going to erase this right here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that, make it pretty. X plus 2, x minus 1, and x times x plus 1 times x minus 1 and x plus 1 and 2 times 2x plus 1. Okay, now let's go ahead and simplify. Okay, before I do that, let's go ahead and make it into one long fraction, multiplication. Let's go ahead and set the restriction. X cannot be 0, -1, and -1/2. Let's go ahead and start simplifying. We have an x plus 2 here. We don't have an x plus 2's in the denominator. X minus 1, nope, we don't have any x minus 1's. But we do have an x plus 1 and an x plus 1. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so we have x plus 2 and x minus 1 squared over 2x times 2x plus 1, and that, guys, is my final answer. Okay, good job.